You also want to generate AI images completely unlimited, but you can't because most tools are either credit-based or locked behind expensive subscriptions. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact solution to that problem, and I'll also walk you through how you can generate unlimited AI images using Nano Banana 2 and Pro without spending a single dollar. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but honestly, you can use any browser you prefer. It could be Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or anything else. It really doesn't matter. Once your browser is open, go ahead and head over to the search bar and type in Google Flow. Now, as soon as you hit search, you'll see the results pop up. The very first result you'll notice is something called Flow. That's exactly what we're looking for. All you need to do is simply click on that first link, and it'll take you directly to the platform where everything is going to happen. And trust me, this is where the real magic starts. Now, once you land on the Flow website, you'll see a button that says Create with Flow. Go ahead and click on that. After that, it'll ask you to sign in. Just use your Google account to log in. It's quick, simple, and only takes a few seconds. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken straight into the Flow interface. Now this is where everything starts coming together. On your screen, you'll notice an option that says New Project. Go ahead and click on that and create your first project. You can name it anything you want. It could be something like AI Images, Unlimited Generator, or whatever fits your workflow. Once your project is created, you're officially inside the system and ready to start building your unlimited image generation setup. Alright, now if you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a text input box. This is where you can type anything you want to generate. You'll also notice the option to select different models, and this is where the real game begins. So whatever you want to create, just type it in. For example, I'm going to type a monkey sitting on a tree, smiling. Now comes the important part, choosing the model. If you switch to the image section, you'll see multiple options like Imagen 4, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. Now, depending on what you want, you can select any of these, but for this demo, I'm going with Nano Banana 2. Next, you can choose how many images you want to generate. I'm going to set the quantity to 4 images. Now, here's something really interesting. If you look down here, you'll notice it shows 0 credits used. That basically means you're not using any credits. You don't have to pay anything. So yes, this is completely free. Now let's go ahead and hit generate and see if this actually works or not. Alright, so as you can see on the screen right now, it actually worked. We just generated 4 high-quality AI images, and the best part is we didn't use a single credit. No limits, no paid subscription, no hidden charges. And honestly, this is where most people get it wrong. They assume that in order to create high-quality AI images, you have to pay for expensive tools or rely on credit-based systems. But as you just saw, if you use the right method, the right flow, and the right models like Nano Banana 2 and Pro, you can literally generate unlimited images without spending anything. Now imagine scaling this. You can create content for YouTube thumbnails, generate images for Instagram posts, build entire AI projects, or even start your own content automation system. And all of this completely free. That's the real power of this setup. Now, if this video helped you even a little bit, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more videos like this, where I show you real strategies, hidden methods, and powerful AI workflows, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Trust me, I've got a lot more crazy stuff coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful and informative guide.